In this video, we will gonna see how a connection is built over an IP-based network with the help of TCP. The method is called TCP three-way handshake. In our diagram here, we have a PC and a server. The TCP three-way handshake, as the name says, it will happen in 3 steps. So in step 1, the client will send a TCP synchronized packet to the server. After the server will receive the SYN packet from the client, it will send a SYN ACK and in step 3, the client will acknowledge the packet received from the server. After the connection is made, the TCP state will be established. In a similar way, when the client will have no more data to send, or when it will want to terminate the connection, it will be done in the same way, but instead of using a SYN flag, we will use a FIN, and it will look something like this. A packet will be sent to the server containing a FIN flag. After the server will receive the packet with the FIN flag, it will send a FIN plus acknowledgement. And the client will send the final acknowledgement. After the connection is terminated, the TCP state it will gonna be closed. We talked for so many times in these videos about the TCP states, but how do we see the TCP states? One option is to use the netstat command. And here we can see the different states of the TCP. We have established, we have SYN sent, we have close wait, we have time wait, we have FIN wait 2, the SYN sent, and so on. Now let's get back to the previous diagram with the PC and server, and I will explain you every TCP state that you can have on your endpoint. The first TCP state is called listen. And usually a server is waiting for a connection request from any host on a specific port that is listening. So for example, let's say that this server is actually a web server. And this is a client that it will try to get the web page from this server on TCP port 80. So this server, it will be in a listen state on this port. When the PC will try to establish the connection with the web server, in the three-way handshake, it will send the SYN message. Let's give the endpoints also some IPs. So for example, this one should be like 80.172.34.5. And our PC should have an IP address of 174.116.5.1. After the first SYN packet is sent on this PC, if we will type the netstat command, the TCP state for this connection, it will be SYN sent. And when the server will receive the request from the PC, again, if we are typing netstat on this one, the TCP state will be SYN received. And of course, after the first step, the second step will come. The server will send a CNAC message, and the client will acknowledge that it received the packet. And now the connection is established. So the TCP state, it will change to establish on both ends. Now let's say that the PC wants to terminate the connection. Let's give our endpoints some kind of IPs. This will be our web server. So the PC will initiate the termination request with a FIN packet. The TCP state on the PC will be FIN wait 1. And on the server, we will have close wait. Now the server, it will acknowledge the FIN packet with an ACK. And when the PC will receive the ACK, the TCP state will be FIN wait 2. After the server sends the acknowledgement packet, it will send the FIN packet as well. The TCP state on the server, it will change to last ACK. Waiting for the final acknowledgement from the PC, and then the PC will send the final acknowledgement, and the TCP state will change to time wait. Once the server will receive the last acknowledgement, it will transition to closed. On a PC, after it will wait enough time to pass just to be sure that the last acknowledgement it was received by server, it will also transition to the closed state. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, subscribe, and talk to you guys into the next one.